Hello everyone, so welcome back to my channel. You are watching Sandhya OBG study point. So in today's video we will deal with the process of the spermatogenesis, which is nothing but the formation of the sperms in the males. Okay, so as you can see here, I've just drawn a structure here so that you can understand easily. Alright, so before focusing on this structure, how to show you the diagram. So before that you have to focus only on this diagram. So this is a cross section of the seminiferous tubules. Alright, so in this we see this diagram. So as you can see here, this black border which is called seminiferous tubule wall. Okay, and inside this wall you can see here some cells are present over here which are called Sertoli cells, and outside of this wall there will be cells present which are called Leydig cells, which helps in the production of the male sex hormone, that is testosterone. Alright, and after that, as you can see here, this is the gap present over here which is called lumen. Okay, this is the opening gap which is called lumen, and after that you can see here there is a process, or we can select the formation of the gamete or sperm. There is a spermatogenesis happening over here in this gap. Okay, so we will see here in this structure how it takes place. Okay, so as you can see here, first of all, this is a main cell, okay, which is diploid in nature, which divides further into two cells. Okay, and as you can see here, this cell is called spermatogonium. Okay, this is the spermatogonium. Gonia is the plural and gonium is the singular, so we will talk only about this one single cell. So this is spermatogonium. Okay, we can select it acts as a stem cell so that it can produce further cells. Okay, so for the further division of this cell, the mitosis will be taking place, and as we already know that in the mitosis the cell divides further into two cells with the same number of chromosomes. Okay, so the cell will be divided into two, type A and type B, and the number of the chromosomes going to be the same, 2n and 2n. Okay, so we will focus only on this diagram, this cell. Okay, and after this cell also the mitosis will be taking place, which will be divided further into of course two cells, and the chromosomes going to be the same, 2n and 2n, and at this stage the cells will be called primary spermatocyte. Okay, these are all the cells will be called primary spermatocytes, and now at this stage the cells will be ready for the production of the sperms. Okay, so we will focus only on this cell, as this cell is also same to this one, so the same process will be taking place here also. Okay, so in this after the primary spermatocyte, the meiosis will be taking place, and as we know that in the meiosis, as we know that the cell divides further into two cells, but the number of the chromosome will be half. Okay, so as we know that here the number of the chromosomes are 2, and after the division of this cell, the cell will be divided into two, and the number of the chromosome will be single. Okay, the single cell chromosome will be here, and in this cell also the chromosome will be one or single. Okay, and here at this stage the cells will be called secondary spermatocyte. Okay, here the process is meiosis 1, because this is the first process of the meiosis, that's why this is the process meiosis 1, which is called secondary spermatocyte. Okay, and after that from each cell the meiosis second stage will be started, and after that also the two cells will be produced. Okay, and as we know that in the meiosis the cell divides into two cells, and the number of the chromosome will be half. Okay, so here also 4 cells will be produced by the previous two cells. Okay, with the help of the meiosis second process. Okay, the number of the chromosome will be haploid or half from the previous one. So now at the last we are having 4 spermatids. Okay, so these cells now at this stage will be called spermatids. Okay, so these spermatids will be modified further and will be forming as spermatogenes, or we can select the sperms. Okay, so this is the process of spermatogenesis. So that's it for today. So if you want to suggest me a topic to teach you all, so you can leave a comment down in a comment box, so I'll just make a video on that topic. I'll try my best to make a video on that topic. Bye bye.